Full automatic insulating glass gas filling line integrates automatic loading, washing and drying, inspection, assembly, online argon filling and pressing transmission. Designed for high-end energy-saving insulating glass, it manufactures single-cavity double glazing, triple-glazed double-cavity glass and unequal-size curtain wall dugu. It is suitable for mass production of low-E-coated glass, architectural curtain wall glass and energy window-saving glass. Let's learn about the core advantages of our gas-filling press machine. First, equipped with vacuum pump. When processing large-size glass, vacuum adsorption firmly secures glass on the front plate, effectively preventing glass falling. The second, rigid rear connection structure. Lingbo gas filling press adopts integral rigid connection design. It remains stable during long continuous production and consistently guarantees excellent glass pressing flatness. Third, thickened 4-ball screws ensure smooth, stable movement of the front plate with excellent load-bearing capacity. No deformation occurs even under long-term heavy load continuous production. Fourth, strict factory testing. The whole production line undergoes comprehensive continuous trial operation before delivery. We utilize professional argon concentration testers to conduct repeated, precise detection. Only machines achieving stable argon filling concentration above 95% will be approved for packaging and shipment, delivering reliable and consistent production performance for clients. We are an experienced manufacturer with 19 years focusing on insulating glass processing machine. Our main products include vertical glass washing machines, double glazing lines, dugu lines, insulating glass machinery, insulating glass argon gas filling lines, automatic sealing robots, all types of special shaped glass sealing robots and sealing robots for household appliances insulated glass. Owning independent research and development technology, we can provide customers with customized dugu machines and complete production line solutions.